What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has not moved much value wise. As you guys can see in the last 24 hours it is just about 4% down, nothing too crazy, and most of the time it was literally very volatile up and down, but has maintained its value. So what is next for Jasmy? That's what we're going to be going through, looking at its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024, and essentially looking at, is it a crypto to be buying right now? Is it too late, or is it time to be holding on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, it is another day where Jasmy is trading slightly above the SMA indicator here in purple, so it is pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to. And a side note, as you guys can see, Bitcoin has again taken a little bit of a dip down, 4% down, making it just above $64,000, which is not looking too great. So we are seeing majority of the cryptocurrencies on the red side today after the Bitcoin drop. However, I'm expecting it to recover over the weekend and next week as well. But let's focus on Jasmy. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line still looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow, essentially the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value. However, I'm not expecting it to carry on hitting red candles. I'm expecting it to hit green candles in between as well, but the red candles are likely to overtake the green ones, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next few days, again we are not looking too great. We still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. However, the lines are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. So again, this is not as realistic as it seems. So essentially, over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Even though, yes, I'm seeing red candles and bearish lines, it's looking a little bit too steep, meaning it is likely to hit red candles over the coming days and potentially slowly start to gain value by mid to end of next week, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So do expect it to be quite volatile, dropping and then pumping back up. So quite of a wave, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So guys, do expect an overall increase. Now moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit too skeptical. We have the blue line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late May. However, that is not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it to go for an overall increase in value, heading over the 3 cents target, getting closer to the 4 cents target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by mid to late May. So essentially towards mid-year, I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading closer to the 4 cents target, which is at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. And again, yes, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which is not too far away, and this will definitely have an impact on the crypto market, but there will be more news on that as I get more analysis and more data on it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that as well, because that is going to be a big video. And again, what the crypto market is likely to be at, and is it buy now, is it sell now, or is it simply hold on to it. But again, make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, bringing out the Fibonacci scale. We have been trading into the dark green zone over the last few days, and I'm expecting it to step back down a little bit over the next 12 to 14 hours down to the resistance target, and then bounce back up into the dark green zone and potentially heading upwards from here over the next couple of weeks as well, as I mentioned. But again, red candles are always part of the process, so again, there is no way of avoiding red candles, because not just Jasmy but majority of the cryptocurrencies, it is the way it works. So before I go any further, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested on regular updates on the crypto market. You guys can join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. Yes, it is usually $29.99. However, with discount code DEC10 you get 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. And again, this will stay at $14.99 for as long as you're a member. However, it's for a limited time only and for a limited number of members as well. So make sure you guys are quick if you guys want to join. So what happens once you sign up, you get put into two group chats. The first one is where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. Do bear in mind I'm a long-term trader. And the second chat is a general one where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict, mainly on Bitcoin, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up, guys. There is some major news that I will be announcing in there. And again, you guys can also ask me questions and analysis predictions on other cryptocurrencies, which I will also provide. Don't worry about the figures here. This is an old screenshot from about 2 years ago. But yeah, this is the group chat if you guys are interested. Link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Jasmy. So trading volume has gone up just about 12% in the last 24 hours, making it $375 million in trading, which is quite of a drop from how it's been performing earlier on. Over the week it's gained 16% and over the month 25%. Yes, it was over about 200%. However, it has taken dips. The crypto market did go through a little bit of a step back in value, so majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the red side overall. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Jasmy to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. A lot of people have been saying 5 cents, which is reasonable. Again, in the second half of the year I'm also expecting Jasmy to be hitting the 5 cents target. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.